Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm prepping some fresh produce for juicing, and I always start by cleaning everything properly. I'm using water, vinegar, and baking soda to soak my fruits and vegetables. This helps remove dirt, pesticides, and any waxy residue. It's a simple but crucial step to make sure we're juicing clean, fresh produce. I let it soak for about 15 minutes, and while that's happening, let's put some older produce to some good use. I was feeling a little under the weather, so I made me an immune boosting juice to help me bounce back. This one is packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, and an anti-inflammatory benefit, perfect for glowing skin and a strong immune system. For this juice, I'm using oranges for a big dose of vitamin C, carrots for beta carotene and eye health, lemons to alkalize the body and support digestion, and fresh ginger to fight inflammation and boost my immunity. This juice is so vibrant and refreshing, plus it helps flush out toxins, and it got my energy levels way up. If you ever feel a cold coming on, this combo is definitely a must try. That's real good, real good. Yep. Now that my produce has soaked, I'm using a scrub brush to really get rid of any remaining dirt or residue. Scrubbing is especially helpful for produce with thicker skins like apples and cucumbers because it removes anything left behind from handling or shipping. Once everything is squeaky clean, I start cutting and storing my fruits and vegetables in these airtight containers. This saves so much time throughout the week when it's time to juice, because all I have to do is grab what I need. By the way, the produce brush, my juicer, and the storage containers I use are all linked in the description box. So if you need good tools for your juicing routine, definitely check them out. Alright, let's move on to this budget-friendly green juice. This one is perfect for weight loss, detoxing, and getting in a ton of nutrients without breaking the bank. Here's what's in it. Some celery, which is super hydrating and it's affordable. You can use kale, however for this juice I use spinach, which is nutrient dense and great for skin and digestion. I put in some cucumbers, which adds volume and a refreshing taste. I use some carrots for a touch of natural sweetness. You can put in a lime, but I use lemon to boost the flavor, which also has detox benefits. I use the green apple to balance out all that bitterness. And I add some ginger to add a zing and support digestion. This juice is amazing for reducing bloating, flushing out toxins, and keeping your skin clear and glowing. Plus, it's a great way to sneak in those leafy greens without that strong taste. If you're looking to kickstart your weight loss journey, I have something for you. I lost 10 pounds in just 7 days using 10 delicious recipes, which is inside my ebook, The Juice Reset. This isn't just a recipe book, it's your blueprint for weight loss, detoxing, and reclaiming your energy. Inside, you'll get the science behind juicing and how it transforms your body, a step-by-step juice cleanse plan to help you succeed, a complete grocery list so you know exactly what to buy, and pro tips to fight cravings, stay motivated, and make juicing a lifestyle. If you're ready to shed some pounds, flush out toxins, and feel amazing, this is for you. Let me know if you have any questions. I'd love to support you on your journey. Click the link in my description box to check it out.